With over 3 billion monthly users, WhatsApp is the most popular messaging platform on the planet. And if you're a WhatsApp user, here's some tips and tricks that you need to know. And we're going to start off with just keeping your conversations private because you don't want anyone to just be able to open up your WhatsApp and see what you're talking about. So go ahead and open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots up here, select settings, go to privacy, swipe down until you see app lock, and simply enable this feature, then select when you want it to lock. I usually set it to immediately, and that's it, you're all set. Now if anyone gets a hold of your phone and they try to access your WhatsApp, they will not be able to see any of your conversations. Now maybe instead of locking the entire WhatsApp application, you want to maybe just lock a certain conversation just so that you yourself don't need to authenticate every time you open up your WhatsApp. What you can do instead is just long press on the conversation that you want to lock, select the three dots up here, and just tap lock chat. And now when you open up your WhatsApp, you won't see that chat in here anymore, but if you swipe down, you'll see the secret lock chats up here, and all you gotta do is tap on it, authenticate, and now you'll have access to all of your locked chats. Alright, next, did you know that you can create completely custom AI stickers directly within your WhatsApp? And all you gotta do is on your keyboard, tap in here, go to the stickers section, tap create, and you'll see an option here that says use AI. And in here, you can write whatever it is that comes to your imagination, and it will use AI to generate a custom sticker out of your prompt that you can then use in your WhatsApp conversation. Alright, now this one is really cool because if you go into your WhatsApp settings and select avatar, you can take a selfie to generate an avatar of yourself and then fully customize it the way that you like. You can change everything from your physical build, your hair, your makeup, your clothes, your top, bottom, shoes. You can give yourself cool Crocs, you can give yourself a dress if you want, and it is crazy just how deep you can go into customizing your avatar. But the fun doesn't end there because not only can you use this avatar as your profile picture, but now you can go into your WhatsApp conversations and you will have auto-generated stickers and GIFs out of the avatar that you created that you can now use within your WhatsApp conversations. Now here is a new WhatsApp feature that you might not have known about yet, but you can now share live photos in your WhatsApp conversations. And if you have an Android, don't worry because you can do the same thing with motion photos. And if you didn't even know that Androids have live photos, and now you do, and the way to enable it is to simply open up your camera and tap up here, and you'll see that it says motion photos are now enabled. So now when you take a live photo on an iPhone or a motion photo on an Android and you want to share that live photo, you can simply just send it in a WhatsApp conversation just like you would a regular photo. Now, not all messages are equal, and if you have a group chat and you really only care about what one specific person has to say, well, you can attach a unique notification sound to that contact so that anytime they send a message, you will know. Now, to do this, simply open up a group conversation that you might have going on, tap on the contact, go to notifications, and from here you can change the message and the call notification sound for this contact. And now anytime they send a message or give you a call, you will know that it's them. Alright, now this one is really cool. So you know how on iPhone you can share your location with family members so that they know where you're at? Well, you can do the same thing on WhatsApp, and it's super simple. All you need to do is just open up the conversation of the person who you want to share your location with, tap on the clip to make an attachment, select location, and here you can select share live location. And you can select for how long you want to share your location with this person, and you can even add a comment. And now when you send this message, the person who receives it will be able to track your location in real time and know exactly where you are. Alright, now here's an underused WhatsApp feature that's actually really useful, and it is the ability to message yourself on WhatsApp. And this can definitely be really useful if you want to maybe send yourself reminders, to-do lists, shopping lists, maybe some passwords or personal data. And you can put this together with the tip from before where you can lock specific conversations so that you can send these things to yourself, but nobody will be able to access this conversation and see anything that you send. Alright, now did you know that if you go into your WhatsApp settings, go to privacy, tap last seen online, you can change who's able to see when you are online. So if you have a lot of contacts in WhatsApp, but you don't want everybody to be able to see your status, you can change it from here. You can also go back into those privacy settings and remove your read receipts so that nobody will be able to see if you have read their messages, and that way people won't be wondering why you read it but didn't reply to it, and then you look like a bad guy. But you can just disable this, but keep in mind that if you disable it, you will not be able to see their read receipts either. And speaking of privacy, maybe sometimes you want to send a message or a photo that you want the person to only be able to see once and then it will be deleted forever. Well, you can do that too. Anytime you're attaching a photo or a video or even a voice note to a conversation, All you gotta do is just tap this little one icon right here in the text box, and now when you send that attachment off, the person who receives it will only be able to watch it once until it disappears forever. And if you want all the messages within that chat to just disappear automatically by themselves without having to do this every single time, what you can do is go into the chat, select disappearing messages, and then just select how long you want these messages to stay around for. And once that time passes, the messages will expire and disappear forever. Alright, now here is a cool WhatsApp feature that a lot of people have no idea even exists within WhatsApp, and it's completely free and super cool. At the bottom where you have your chats, if you tap on updates, this actually has nothing to do with updates to the WhatsApp app, but instead what you'll find in here is channels, and you can tap on explore, then select see all. You can now filter by most active, popular, or new channels. And in here you can see that there's some really interesting channels, from celebrities to soccer teams, news and media outlets, show and movie specific channels, and there's just tens of thousands of these channels, all dedicated to specific niches that you might be interested in. And heck, you can even go ahead and create your own channel and then share that link with people and invite whoever you want to this channel. Do keep in mind though that these channels are public, so anybody in the world will be able to see them and join them. Alright, now check this out. Did you know that when you're in a group chat and there's a conversation going on, you can reply privately to the person's message? So if anybody's ever making plans but there's somebody in the group chat who you don't really like and you don't want them to see that you don't like them, well, you can just reply to the person privately and the other person will never even know. Now, another really useful feature is the ability to star important messages. And this is particularly useful for maybe travel details or other important messages that you might need down the line. Think of it like bookmarks for your Chrome tab, except for WhatsApp. And then if you ever need to come back and see these important messages later down, you can tap on the three dots up here and go to starred, and you'll see them all saved in here. Alright, now let's say you have a birthday coming up or you want to invite your friends to a specific event. Well, instead of creating yet another WhatsApp group that will eventually go to waste because after the event nobody cares about it anymore and you just have this extra group in your chats that you have to go and delete again, instead of doing all that, you can just send a broadcast. And to do that, just tap on the three dots up here, select new broadcast, and select all the contacts who you want to send this message to. And now just write whatever it is that you want in here. So if you want to invite them to your birthday, you can go ahead and write that message, send it off to them, and now they will each receive that message as a broadcast with all the information that they need without having to create yet another WhatsApp group. But there you go, guys. That's gonna do it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you know any other cool WhatsApp tips and tricks, but that's gonna do it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.